Hello everyone, I'm Liana again with Music Academy International Inc. and we continue our journey into all the scales. And today it's the turn for C minor, three flats. So what are the flats? We having B flat, E flat and A, right? B, E, A, right? So the major scale that is going to be into the description is E flat major. If you don't know the E flat major, I would strongly recommend you to go and practice that. Find it on the playlist. We have it all uploaded over there. And do practice E flat before you do the minor relative. So E flat has three flats. This one. You see, I'm playing all these keys. B, E, A. Right? And right now, the minor relative would be the C minor. So from E, you go 3 half steps down. 1, 2, 3. Right? And we're gonna play exactly like a C major this time. Same fingering, that's why these scales are really easy. Almost all the minors are pretty easy because they are the same fingering as C major, right? So you play C minor and you add this 3 black keys. That would be the natural way. C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, right? Left hand one time. A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, both hands. And of course you can go to octaves. A flat, B flat, C, B, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, going back. And another octave to go and how you end, right? So we're gonna go into harmonic right now. You can pause the video and practice a little bit the natural, but I always said that harmonic is really important because that's how it's used a lot in our Western music. So the B flat that we played in the natural way or the natural mode right now is going to become B natural. So it's going to raise half of the step. So that's going to be how you play it. So A flat B. So you're not playing the B natural, you're gonna the B flat, you're going to play the B natural. Same fingering, left hand exactly the same. That's why I told you, please practice the C major like a lot. Because we're having like 10 scales that they have exactly the same fingering. I'm gonna go 2 octaves right now. And here. Right now it's time to practice. So again, pause the video pretty much here. Do the right hand couple of times on 2 octaves, do the left hand on 2 octaves, and then both hands slowly for a while, and then you can try to go a little faster. Pay attention to be steady with the beat, right? Just as a little bonus, I did it on the other videos because those are still easy-ish scales, but so if you pay attention, you can even do split, but you gotta pay attention of the black keys. The good news, the fingering both hands are exactly the same on the both hands, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. They change it exactly in the same spot. If you would like to try it, you know, have fun. And it will go faster and faster in no time if you practice all the time these scales. Okay, right now it's time to practice. Okay, did you practice? So we're going to the melodic right now. So we do know our 6 and 7, right, keys that would supposed to be A flat and B flat. Right now both of them will be natural. In melodic way, you raise, you go half of the step, or a semitone, we're calling semitone, half of the step. It's going higher, right? And going up only. So that will be how you play. It sounds really cool. And then going back, you're just coming into natural way, right? Congratulations! Did you have fun? Alright, so this is what we did today in today's tutorial. So go and practice right now. It's your turn. Take it slowly, So next time we're gonna have what do we have? Gonna have 4 flats, right? And that will be F minor. In our tutorial, it's gonna be F minor with 4 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and you let me know how you do it. You might even want to upload some of your video or something like that, because I will be really happy to hear from you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months, and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm gonna have an entire series, like 30, 40 videos just on technique way how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon, it's a page, you will find the link below in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.